If you're thinking about buying a new tablet right now, stop. Seriously, put the credit card away. Because while the world was distracted by the latest iPad Pro, Samsung has been quietly building something that isn't just a tablet, it's a professional-grade extinction event for the traditional laptop. Welcome back to TechVibe, where we bring you the future before it hits the shelves. Today, we are diving deep into the massive, verified leaks surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. We're talking about a titanium-clad beast with a no-notch Tandem OLED display, the insane Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, and a RAM configuration that would make most desktop PCs blush. This is the device that aims to finally make neural DeX a true MacBook killer. Stick around until the end, because I'm revealing the leaked US release window and the exact pricing strategy that Samsung is using to undercut Apple while offering twice the tech. You do not want to miss a single second of this. For years, the one thing holding the Ultra series back from true aesthetic perfection was that pesky notch. Well, the wait is over. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is officially moving to under-display camera 2.0 technology. Samsung has perfected the sub-pixel arrangement over that massive 14.6-inch canvas, meaning the front-facing sensors are now completely invisible until you need them. This creates a full-view experience that is essentially all glass. But it's not just any glass. We're looking at a Tandem OLED panel, 2 layers of organic light-emitting diodes stacked to deliver a staggering 3000 nits of peak brightness. To put that in perspective, that's bright enough to use in direct midday sunlight without squinting, and it makes the standard HDR experience look like a budget TV from 5 years ago. Whether you're a color grading professional in London or a creative in Los Angeles, this screen is the new industry gold standard. But a screen is only as good as the frame holding it. This year, Samsung is ditching armor aluminum for grade 5 titanium. This isn't just a marketing buzzword, it's a functional revolution. By using titanium, Samsung has managed to make the S12 Ultra thinner than a pencil while significantly increasing its structural rigidity. It feels denser, more premium, and far more durable. If you're a frequent flyer or a digital nomad, this means you get a massive workstation that fits in a slim sleeve without the fear of it bending in your bag. Now, let's talk about the absolute monster under the hood. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, specifically optimized for the Galaxy ecosystem. Early benchmarks are already surfacing, and the numbers are terrifying for the competition. We are seeing multi-core scores that rival Apple's M-series silicon, but where Samsung takes the lead is in the NPU, the neural processing unit. Why does this matter? Because of Galaxy AI 3.0. We aren't just talking about circle-to-search anymore. We're talking about real-time on-device video rendering, AI-assisted coding, and neural DeX. This is the big one. DeX has always been good, but neural DeX is a total reimagining. With the leaked 24GB RAM variant, yes, you heard that right, 24GB of RAM, the S12 Ultra can now run a full Linux-based desktop environment alongside Android apps with zero lag. It's designed to handle heavy multitasking, allowing you to run professional suites like LumaFusion and DaVinci Resolve while having 50 Chrome tabs open in the background. It's the first time a tablet has truly felt like it has the overhead of a high-end laptop. And let's not forget the tool that makes the Ultra an Ultra, the S Pen Pro 3. The latency has been slashed even further to a nearly non-existent 1.8 milliseconds. But the real upgrade is the haptic feedback. Samsung has integrated a tiny precision motor inside the pen that vibrates subtly to mimic the texture of the paper you're drawing on. If you're sketching on a matte screen protector, it feels like graphite. If you're writing on the glass, it feels like a fountain pen. It's a tactile level of immersion that no other stylus on the market can touch. Battery life and charging have also received the Ultra treatment. While the capacity remains a massive 12,000 mAh, the charging speed is finally jumping to 80W ultra-fast charging. In a world where we're used to 45W being the cap for Samsung, this is a massive win. You'll be able to juke this giant screen from 0 to 50% in about 25 minutes. For the power users who spend their days in coffee shops or on long-haul flights from New York to Tokyo, this is the peace of mind you've been asking for. On the camera front, Samsung is keeping the dual setup on the rear, but with a twist, a dedicated LiDAR sensor. This isn't for taking photos of your lunch, it's for 3D modeling and augmented reality. Architects and interior designers can now scan a room in seconds with millimeter precision, then use the S Pen to drop 3D furniture models into the space in real time. The front cameras, now hidden under the display, feature an upgraded 12-megapixel wide and ultra-wide duo, specifically tuned for 4K video conferencing with AI background noise cancellation and auto-framing 2.0, which keeps you perfectly centered even if you're moving around your office. So, when can you actually get your hands on this beast? Authentic supply chain reports suggest a late summer release, likely during a dedicated Galaxy Unpacked event in August 2026. As for the pricing, Samsung is positioning the S12 Ultra as a premium investment. Expect the base 256GB model to start around $1,199, while the top-tier 2TB per 24GB RAM Founders Edition could push toward $1,800. While that sounds steep, remember, this is designed to be your only device. It replaces the laptop, the drawing tablet, and the portable media center in one titanium package. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra isn't just a minor iteration, it is a total recalibration of what we should expect from mobile computing in 2026. Samsung is finally merging their desktop-class hardware with an AI-driven software experience that actually feels intuitive rather than experimental. If you are a power user who refuses to compromise on screen quality, raw processing speed, or build materials, the S12 Ultra is undeniably the new king of the mountain. The competition is sweating, and for good reason. Samsung has finally stopped playing safe and started swinging for the fences. If these leaks hold true, and given the source accuracy lately, they likely will. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra won't just be the best Android tablet, it will be the most powerful mobile workstation ever conceived. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Is the no-notch display enough to make you switch from an iPad? Or is that 24GB of RAM the overkill feature you've been waiting for? Drop a comment below, I read every single one, and I want to know if you think this is truly the laptop killer we've been promised. If you enjoyed this deep dive, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to keep bringing you these exclusive tech breakdowns. Thank you for watching TechVibe. We pride ourselves on bringing you the most authentic, up-to-date tech news on the planet. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you're the first to know when the official S12 Ultra pre-orders go live. We've got a lot more coming your way, including a head-to-head comparison between the S12 Ultra and the rumored M5 iPad Pro, so stay tuned. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep vibing, and stay ahead of the curve.